Now let us see certain terms: isotopes, isobars, and isotones. Some of the atoms have difference in their mass number, some of have similarity in atomic mass number, some of have constant difference between atomic number and atomic mass number. Depending on that, we are categorizing them into this three types: isotopes, isobars, and isotones. So let us start. What is meant by isotopes? The nuclides having same number of protons, that means atomic number is same but different number of nucleons, that means atomic mass number is different, are called as isotopes. Okay, so what is the example of isotopes? Example of isotopes is like hydrogen have 3 isotopes. Okay, protium, deuterium, and tritium. Okay, so they are having same atomic number, right? 1 1 and 1, but they are having different mass number. So mass number here is 1, here there is 2, and here is 3. So this type of atoms are called as isotopes. Now isobars, the nuclide having same number of nucleons, right, but different number of protons. Now unlike isotopes, in isotopes Z was same, A was different, but here in isobars A is same and Z is different. So this type of nuclide are called as isobars. And the examples of isobars: argon and calcium. Okay, so Ar and Ca, so they have same atomic mass number 40 40, but different atomic number 18 and here 20, right? Then isotones, so the nuclide having same number of neutrons, that means A minus Z is same. For those nuclide we call them as isotones. So here example is silicon and phosphorus. Okay, so Z for silicon is 14 and Z for phosphorus is 15, right? A, atomic mass number for silicon is 30 and atomic mass number for phosphorus is 31, right? So from here you can check that the difference A minus Z, 30 minus 14, 16. Okay, here 31 minus 15, again 16. So you can see here A minus Z is same for both this nuclide, so they are called as isotones, right? So I hope you are clear with isotopes, isobars, and isotones. Let me revise this. Isotopes means same atomic number, different mass number. Isobars means same mass number, different atomic number, and isotone means A minus Z is same. So we have seen one example of each.